Hey guys, Footy Cards Kid 10 here, and today I've just got another 4 packs of my box break, so let's get into it. Haven't got a black line yet. Hopefully in this pack. Yep, in this pack. I think this could be a BF. Hopefully a footy pointer. So I'll go through the commons. Liam Picken, Sam Reid, Nathan Bock. Nice silver, Andrew Mackie, and oh, that's a good one, Rory Sloane, footy pointer. Nice one there, picking up the ball. So very nice one there. Dane Swan common. Hopefully I can get him in silver. Nathan Van Berlo, Robin Nahas, and Andrew Walker. So nice pack there. Yep. Quite like the footy pointers this year. Sorry. So, yep. Oh, yes. Joe Watson silver. It's a really good one. And Richmond checklist. And commons. So I've got some really good silvers so far. So, yep. Next pack. I think just normal pack here. So okay, nice silver again, Jack Redden. Yep, and very nice gold, Sam Mitchell. So going very good so far. Commons, David Armitage had a very good game on the weekend. So yep. Next pack. So this year it's good because it's good to get a box because you're aiming to get around 12 or 13 hits. So yep, because the 40 pointers, stickers and BFs are 1 in every 3 packs, and the Stars and Magic, so 1 in 36. So box full of quite a few hits, and I think we may have a sticker here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we have a sticker. Jack Gunston, yep, sticker, Jack Gunston silver, sorry, and Joel Selwood sticker. Very nice sticker, so doing very well so far. Main hits in those 4 packs were Joel Selwood, Sam Mitchell gold, Joe Watson silver, and of course Rory Sloane footy pointer. Very nice one there. So yep, thanks guys.